This video explains how to buy shares of Global Interactive Technologies, Inc., a company focused on interactive technology products and services, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker GITS. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering on eToro, you must verify the account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker GITS to find the company listing. Make sure you select the Global Interactive Technologies, Inc. entry that matches the NASDAQ listing. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure you are on the correct asset page. Click the Investor Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your position will appear in the portfolio once the order is executed or pending. For convenience, I have included an eToro link in the video description.